Hi, I'm Allie Walsh, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the most out of your Nicsa membership and engage with your committees using the Nicsa Hub. Now that you've set up your account, let's talk about how you can take advantage of the Hub to do things that email can't do, and save you time by streamlining some things that email can do. The Nicsa Hub can be located at our website, nicsa.org. In the Hub, you can access your profile, look up a member, and see what communities you belong to. My Communities lists all of the communities you are part of, including any committees. Each committee community contains discussions, a library of any documents that have been shared, including agendas and articles, a member directory, and any upcoming meetings. Every Nicsa member has access to a community called Nicsa Community. This is our open forum for all Nicsa members that allows you to post firm insights and publications, interesting updates, or pose a question to the broader community. There is also one for just Diversity Project members to post helpful insights or ask questions around all things diversity, equity, and inclusion. Click the Add button next to Latest Discussion Posts. Fill in the subject line and the message you would like to post. If you are adding an attachment or link, click Attach and follow the prompts. Your attachment will automatically be saved in the library as well. The following morning, members will receive an email alert that you posted in the community. Some members change their settings to receive an alert right away. Members can reply to the email alert to automatically post a response in the community. You'll be notified via email when a community or discussion you're part of gets updated. And if you have any questions, reach out to your committee liaison on Nicsa's staff or email info@nicsa.org. We look forward to seeing you in the community.